Hi guys, it's your girl Nicole, and today I'm coming with you guys with a different type of video than I've previously posted. This is a facial mask video. Myself the Indian healing clay. Giving myself the Indian healing clay mask. Excuse me, my daughter's walking through. Come on, babe. What you'll need for this mask is, of course, the MAC stuff. And as you can see, I really like this mask. You'll need this, and you'll need this little sucker right here. And as you can see, I really like this mask. You'll need this, and you'll need this little sucker right here. This stuff is bomb, y'all. You can use this for just about anything, but today I'm using it for this. I already mixed the mask up. I didn't think about recording it until I finished. Sorry guys, my camera cut off. I don't know why. Like I was saying, you mix these two suckers together, you got your mask. The important thing to know about this mask is you need all plastic. Plastic bowl, plastic mixing stuff, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, all that. All that needs to be plastic. It needs to be like half and half, I guess. Not even half and half. Sorry, scratch that. You need to put a little bit more of the healing clay in your apple cider vinegar. I start with probably a half a cup of healing clay, and then I do the tablespoons for the apple cider vinegar. You're going to get like a little frizz action going on. But as you're mixing it up, you should get this type of consistency right here. Yes, this is a plastic bowl in my house, but this is also my mask bowl. I ain't got time to go out and try to buy a different bowl every week. Disgusting. The smell smells just like apple cider vinegar. But what I done with the e.l.f. brush I got from Dollar Tree. Yeah, it's very cold. And that's it. I haven't used this mask in quite some time. So, I'm going to set my timer for 30 minutes. So, here we go. Alright guys, so I'm back. I kind of got caught up doing some other things. So, it's a little bit past 30 minutes. But that's okay because it's still not 100% dry all the way. So now I'm about to get some warm water. I don't like washing this mask off with a towel at all. I prefer going to my sink or going to the shower and just lightly getting the warm water after this drying mask. I'll be back. Alright, the mask is completely off my face. As you can see, I have some redness in my face. This will go away in probably about 10 minutes. My face, I like to use some vitamin C serum to kind of soothe my face. Show you guys serum. This is the name of the vitamin C serum that I use. I just kind of let that breathe in my skin a little bit. And then, since I'm doing this at night, I'm going to lay the caviar night cream on my face as well. Yeah, so I hope you guys give this mess a try. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe. Please, 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 please like and subscribe. Is there any other masks you guys want me to try? I have another DIY mask that I saw on Pinterest that I'm thinking about trying. But if it's any mask that you guys try at home that you saw you want me to try, leave it in the description box below. And I will try that mask out for you guys and tell you how I like it. Thank you.